Severe thunderstorm watch emergency by Los Santos. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch number 388, effective until 2 p.m. Sunday and 9 p.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties: in Sandy Shores, Los Santos International Airport, San Andreas, Vinewood Hills, Maswa Bank Arena, and Mission Row. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including hurricane, heavy rain, thunderstorms, and damaging winds in close to the watch area. Severe weather may not be imminent. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to the National Weather Service for the latest severe weather information.